Hi guys, if you want to stop Google Docs from auto-capitalizing the first letter of a sentence like this, then let's see how to do it. As you know, with the auto-capitalization in Google Docs, when you type something, the first letter of the sentence gets automatically capitalized. Let's say for the example, I want to type. You can see when the auto-capitalization is on, the first letter of the sentence gets automatically capitalized. So if you want to turn off auto capitalization in Google Docs, for that, first of all go to the Tools section and then click on Preferences. And here you will see the option Automatically Capitalize Words. You have to simply disable this option and auto capitalization will be turned off. So turn it off, simply uncheck this option and then click on OK. And once you turn off the auto capitalization, from now on, whenever you type something, the first letter of a sentence will not be automatically capitalized. Let's say for the example, I'm going to type. You can see the first letter of the sentence is not being automatically capitalized. The first letter of the sentence is in lowercase and not being automatically capitalized. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily stop Google Docs from auto capitalizing the first letter of a sentence. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.